my fucking lunchbox. My lunchbox is Peppy! Jessica, get in the trash can right now, okay? oh, get in the trash can right now. Bitch. Miss Redford says get in the trash can right now. No, don't push me off.
Who said I was going to?
Miss Redford did. Miss Redford got oh, Milton! He'll kill you.
I'm only 14 years old.
I am 13 fucking years old, okay? I'm fucking Chris Crocker. I'm Chris Crocker. I want to be Jeffree Star now.
Oh, I'm Jeffree Star.
Jeffree Star.
I'm
me.
Jeffree Star.
Jeffree Star, bitches. Fucking Chris Crocker. Ah! Leave Chris Crocker alone! Leave him alone! He's only a guy, but he wants to be a fucking girl! Leave Chris Crocker alone! Leave Chris Crocker alone! What did he do to deserve all this? He never did that as a kid! But he only made fun of Brizzy! Some crack! Jessica, where's the fucking shot crack? Give me, I'm hungry! Give me some fucking crack!
It's red fruit.
Calm down.
Jesus, it's red fruit.
Leave Chris Crocker alone!
Why were you holding
bitches.
my hand and looking at it?
Okay,